this is one of the most important issues that we work on around sexual and gender-based violence, and working with you, the officers, here on the ground today. So I've been to visit gender desks in Wajir, in Garissa, and with the SAIG in Boru just last week. And I've seen the work that you do, how you protect the most vulnerable in Kenyan society, the children and women who've suffered horrible crimes, and how you protect them at their most dangerous moments, how you try to bring justice, bring their perpetrators to court and prosecution. And that is incredibly important work, and we are proud to support you with that. And that's why I'm here today. I've heard about the Polycare Center here in Nanyuki as a model, an example, as the DIG and others said, for the whole of Kenya. So I wanted to come and see it for myself.
This is a county that has been marginalized for many years. And even some times when we go with my brother, the county commissioner, because we must do it when we are celebrating our independence, some other times we ask ourselves, which independence are we celebrating? Where people cannot get the service they deserve, particularly when it comes to water. People travel 15 kilometers, our mothers. And probably some of this gender-based violence comes out of these issues because a woman, is going to walk for 15 kilometers to get water. And even the water she is going to get is from a dam. And you would imagine these dams are not in the town. They are not in town where the police are. It is in the village, it is in the dark in the bush, and the woman is going to get water. So even the gender-based violence might not even come from the human alone. It might come even from elephants. It can come from donkeys, just because when they are competing to get water together. And so this issue of gender-based violence, we need to look at it in a bigger perspective, and that's why we are very, very grateful today on behalf of the great people of Laikipia County.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's conversation about Polycare, one may ask, why is this important? And the answer for us Reinvent is really drawn from a study that was done by the National Gender and Equality Commission that looked at the cost of treating one case of sexual and gender-based violence, and they saw that it comes to about 44,000 Kenya shilling. From point of entry until they can access justice, about 44,000. That is a huge amount of money. And because of that, a lot of people opt to not pursue it because 44 is a lot of money. So we also realized out of that study that a lot of people opted not to proceed because legal costs are expensive, but also the distance between the point of violation, going to the police station, going to a hospital, and pursuing justice. It made it so impossible that a lot of people opted to just let the matter lie.
Women are the world because nobody came to survive without them. And in this regard, I emphasize the collective responsibility to ensure that their safety, dignity, and empowerment is very critical in our undertaking on day-to-day duties.